Hey, 1 second, guys. Hold on. You have to. Hello, hello. Okay, like here the question of median of two sorted array. The hard hard problem है. Like given two sorted array nums1 and num2 of size m and n respectively. मतलब nums1 and nums2 दे रखा है, array दे रखा है sorted array. Median of two sorted array. Overall runtime complexity should be big or log m plus n, right? Big or log plus n. And here the example. Hold the side, guys. Tab खोल लेगा अपना. Yeah, you're right. You have to reach on the tab. Right. Like ये कह रहा है कि here we divide each array into two parts. The left part containing smaller numbers, right part containing virtual sorted array. Right. Right. Here like here we go the median. What is the meaning of median? Median is the middle value. Median is middle value. Plus median is the middle value when sorted array split exactly in half. Like for example like one one दे रखा है, 5 दे रखा है और 8 दे रखा है. Then median is 5 because it is half, right? And for example like 1 3 दे रखा है, 5 दे रखा है, 8 दे रखा है, right? Then what is the median, right? What is the then we have to write then we have to write 3 plus 5 equal to 2. Then answer is 4 because here you can see 1358 लाइक बीच में तो 3 और 5 भी है ना, 3 and 5 also have write the question. So this is the formula of the median. And then अब इसको देख के सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में आता है मर्ज टू सॉर्टेड एरेज, एग्जैक्टली द मिडल वैल्यू, राइट। कि मर्ज सॉर्ट एरे का लगा ले। बट अगर अगर हम ये लगाते हैं तो वही वीगो वीगो का m प्लस एन लॉग m प्लस एन आ जाएगा, विच डज नॉट मीट वीगो लॉग m प्लस एन, राइट। To achieve Vigo log as many as already know, we need to use binary search. अब हमें बाइनरी सर्च यूज़ करना पड़ेगा फॉर ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, राइट। तो अब ये प्रॉब्लम क्या कहती है, like, तो मैं तो we try to solve this problem efficiently. We should do divide each array into left and right parts appropriately. And if you ask why divide into left and right, yes, right, everyone. Then like the median is the middle value of sorted array split into half if the total number of elements is odd, right? Then one is center. If, if even, then average of two center values, right? For before again, therefore we compute the median by finding the maximum of left half or average of maximum of left and the min of the right. Okay. However, it's not always case that all elements of nums1 are smaller than those nums2. As for example, right, like this, mm, like nums have 1 and 2, right? Nums1 होगा and nums2 is 3 and 4, right? And you can simply append nums2 after nums1 to get, अगर हम append कर दें तो 1 2 3 और 4 आ जाएगा, which is sorted array and the median is 2.5, right? Median 2.5 हो जाएगा and मीडियम अगर पता नहीं है तो मीडियम का बता देता हूँ फॉर्मूला, लाइक 2 प्लस 3 divided by 2. So here is the answer 2.5. However, in the case of like nums, like if I say we go nums 1 3 and 8, like, and nums 2 ले लेते हैं हम 7 9 9 10 and 11, right? So if we try to merge the array directly and sort them, we exactly get 1 3 7 8 9 10 and 11, right? So the where the value sum from nums2 is smaller than 8 from nums1. This means we can't simply merge two array. This is the then we divide each array into left and right part, and left part of nums1 and nums2 from the smaller group and the right parts from the larger group. So we calculate partition in such a way that entire combined array would be sorted, right? Since actual merging and sorting the array would take more than log m plus n time, so we simulate sorted the array using calculation, right? Yeah, like 1 second. Like if the maximum left part is like maximum like nums part it, if we write nums nums 1 to x left, max left is less than or equal to the minimum of right part of the nums 2, right part of the nums 2 part is min right, right. And the maximum of left part nums to max left 2 is less than equal to minimum of the right part of nums 1. Then sorry guys, then the array is virtually sorted. So our goal is to find such a partition using a binary search, right? For example, these partitions like not correct, but please look at them just given how I mean like algorithm works, right? So we have and let show like nums one is one 1 3 1 3 8, right? And nums two is 7 9 9 10 and 11, right? So max left, max max left is 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 3, right? And min min right is goes to 8, right? And then max left 2 is equal to 7, right? And min right 2 is equal to 9, right? So here we go, like if max left 1 equal and greater than min right 2 and the max left 2 equal to greater than min right 1, so is equal to 3, 3 great 3 oh 3 less than 9 and 7 less than 8. So two arrays correctly partitioned, right? So you like you don't need to compare the left and right within the same array like max left and max right, because both the array are sorted individually based on what the question says. So the following condition always hold, right? So how to determine like partition? So the partition determined the left and right side is calculated. Right, calculate like for like partition 1 is equal to left plus right divided by 2, and partition 2 is equal to, my language is Python, so guys I write in Python. You can also write in Java and C++, like len 1, right, and len 2, 2 plus 1, right, and then divided by 2 minus p, hold a second, minus p1, partition 1, right. So the partition 1 is number of elements on the left side of nums, and partition 2 is number of elements on the left side of nums 2, right, and len 1 is length of nums 1, and len 2 is length of nums 2. So regarding, since both partition 1 and partition 2 representing total number of element on the left side, so they should sum up to the half of the length, merge num 1 and nums 2, right. So these give the following equation is equal to, like p1 plus p2 is equal to, I write short form, like len 1 length of 1 plus length of 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and to calculate partition also len 1 plus len 2 is divided by minus 2 minus p1, so right. But here we go, you ask the answer, and what does the plus 1 mean, right, like what is the meaning of when the total, so we have to answer, when the total number of element is even, the median is the average of the two central values, right. This means you add the left maximum value and the right minimum value and then divided by 2, and when the total number of element is odd, the median is the single central value. By adding like the central value of the left maximum value, and the logic becomes consistent on both even and odd, right. So we initialize, if we initialize, so L1 तो हो जाएगा, len 1 तो हो जाएगा 3, 3, right, and L2 हो जाएगा 4, right, and left हो जाएगा 0, right, and uh, right हो जाएगा 3, right, yes. Hold a second guys, we go into next page, and like for binary search, part 1 तो जो left plus right divided by 2, and part 2 like for 3 len 1 plus len 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus partition of 1, right, and max left is equal to 1 and max right is equal to 3, max left 2 is equal to 10 and min right is equal to 11, right. So like we can't create sorted array because this is virtual. Combine left side like 1 7 9 10 and combine right side 3 8 11. Okay, that's why we ex- execute binary search, but before that we should narrow search range. Since the input array are sorted, the following condition hold, like min left one less than equal to min right one, and min left two less than equal to min right two. There we compare array as follows, like max left greater than min right two. Okay, here like that. So we, I think you understand the question, and the time complexity is right bigger log min to m slash n, right? And space complexity is right. Space complexity is bigger one, right? And if we write the code, so we write the code also. One second. Float, like it slash len, right? We write, and then I explain also the code, guys. Don't worry. Yes, nums to dot mm, right. Then len one, len two, zero two, space nums one slash nums two, left slash right, equal to zero, len one, zero, while right two, and part two also. Len one we have already, right. 2 plus 1, 2 minus partition 1, then max will connect 1 is equal to float plus y equal to as nums 1. Right, one second guys, I copy this code. Click max. Right, what 1 is equal to lan 1. Like now from part 1, part 1 left 2, left 2, so if part 2 is equal to 0 0 and else nums 2 equal to part 2 minus 1, right? And here we go then line 2 and max. Alright, one second guys. Left greater than equal to and left right, like if slash land like does less max x left 2. Okay, right, return max slash left is left 2. So left is left. Right is equal to is like the run the code runtime error. Oh, then even the also error. Okay, nums. Like run the code also. उसमें क्या दिक्कत होगी? Man is equal to right to right. Float in PI part 2 was given right and right to like we go to run the code. Still not the code. These errors are very runtime error. That is the problem. What is this here? None is not valid. 1 second. I copy this code. Right. We have to run this code. Here we go. Run and whatnot. Def.
Oh, this is the. Why this is not done? Why this happens? Okay, guys, if we like there is any error, if you know the if you like अगर तुम्हें चाहिए कोड तुम गिटहब लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में डाल देना राइट although this question is understand right so we end the stream